Hey, what's up folks? If you're looking for the best entry-level home espresso machines, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best entry-level home espresso machines options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which entry-level home machines is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Breville Bambino Plus. The Breville Bambino Plus is a compact, user-friendly espresso machine that excels at pulling quality espresso shots and automatically steaming milk, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Its main advantages are its fast heat-up time, automated milk texturing, and low-pressure pre-infusion for better espresso extraction. Downsides include the small drip tray and lack of a dedicated hot water spout. And excellent espresso quality. Features low-pressure pre-infusion, automatic dose control, and the ability to consistently pull rich, full-bodied shots with good crema. Fast and convenient. Heats up in just 3 seconds and switches quickly between brewing and steaming. Automated milk steaming. The automatic milk frothing with adjustable temperature and texture is a major convenience. Number 2. DeLonghi Dedica Deluxe. The DeLonghi Dedica Deluxe, model EC685M, is a popular, ultra-compact espresso machine praised as an excellent entry-level option for beginners, though expert users may find its customization limits a drawback. It is generally considered one of the best choices in its price range. And espresso quality, reviewers note the machine can pull nice, robust shots of espresso. With practice and fresh, medium to dark roast beans, users can achieve tasty results in good. Number 3. Espresso Steel Duo. The Espresso Steel Duo is highly regarded by experts and users for its rapid heat-up time, compact size, and professional features like PID temperature control and volumetric shot programming. While it makes excellent espresso, some users note the steam power is weaker than traditional boiler machines, and there have been occasional concerns about quality control issues, which Espresso seems to be addressing. And quick heat-up time, thanks to its dual stainless steel thermoblocks, the machine is ready to pull a shot in minutes, often under 3 to 5 minutes, a major advantage over boiler-based machines which can take 20 to 30 minutes. Compact footprint. Reviewers praise its relatively small and shallow size, making it a great option for kitchens with limited counter space. High-quality espresso. Users report consistently satisfying, high-quality espresso shots. Number 4. Rancilio Silvia. The Rancilio Silvia is a highly durable, prosumer-level espresso machine known for its strong steam power and excellent espresso quality, but it requires a learning curve due to its manual nature and single boiler. It is built to last, often with a professional-grade brass group head, but users often need to learn a temperature surfing workflow or perform upgrades like a PID controller to improve temperature stability and ease of use. Despite the initial challenge, many users find it a capable machine that can make espresso rivaling more expensive models. And build and durability. The Silvia is built like a tank, featuring a heavy-duty stainless steel frame and a durable brass group head, suggesting a long lifespan with proper maintenance. Espresso quality. The machine can produce high-quality espresso, with some arguing it can rival machines costing 2 to 3 times as much when used correctly. It pairs well with a quality grinder. Steam power. Number 5. Breville Barista Touch Impress. The Breville Barista Touch Impress is a user-friendly, all-in-one espresso machine praised for its ability to make great coffee with minimal user effort, especially for beginners. It uses an automated system for intelligent dosing and tamping, an improved milk frothing system that works well with dairy and plant-based milks, and a user-friendly touchscreen interface. While convenient, some advanced users may miss having more granular control over settings. And user-friendly interface. A touchscreen guides users through every step, from grinding to steaming, making it ideal for those new to espresso. Automated dosing and tamping. The Impress system uses sensors to dose the correct amount of coffee and an assisted lever to tamp with consistent pressure.